Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Grantharaj Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 16, Shloka number 35. Bhagavatam 1:16-35. Unbearable separation. कावासहेत विरहम् पुरुषोत्तमस्य कावासहेत विरहम् पुरुषोत्तमस्य प्रेमावलोकरुचिरस्मितवल्गुजल्पे 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 स्थैर्यं समानमहरन् मधुमानिनीनाम् स्थैर्यं समानमहरन् मधुमानिनीनाम् स्थैर्यं समानमहरन् मधुमानिनीनाम् रोमोत्सवो मम यदङ्घ्रिविटङ्किताया रोमोत्सवो मम यदङ्घ्रिविटङ्किताया कावासयेत विरहम् पुरुषोत्तमस्य प्रेमावलोकरुचिरस्मितवल्गुजल्पे प्रेमावलोकरुचिरस्मितवल्गुजल्पे स्थैर्यं समानमहरन् मधुमानिनीनाम् रोमोत्सवो मम यदङ्घ्रिविटङ्कितायाः रोमोत्सवो मम यदङ्घ्रिविटङ्कितायाः. This is a conversation between Dharani to Dharma. Translation by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Who therefore can tolerate the pangs of separation from the Supreme Personality of Godhead? He could conquer the gravity and passionate wrath of his sweethearts like Satyabhama by his sweet smile of love, pleasing glance and hearty appeals. When he traversed my earth's surface, I would be immersed in the dust of his lotus feet, and thus would be sumptuously covered with grass, which appeared like hairs standing on me out of pleasure. I would be immersed in the dust of his lotus feet, and thus would be sumptuously covered the grass which appeared like hairs standing on me out of pleasure. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.